So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, in 1 minute, I'm going to show you how you can use Kali Linux on your Windows systems without even actually installing the OS or booting the OS. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser, and here you need to search for Kali Linux. Once you search it, hit on this option of download. I'll get Kali and click on this option of virtual machines and download this VirtualBox from here. Now open Oracle VirtualBox and then click on this option of downloads and get the Windows host from here. Now once you install the Oracle VirtualBox, just simply open it, and from here you need to click on this option of open and then browse through the Kali Linux file that you have just downloaded. Now once you get it, now from here it will look something like this once you open it from here. And now in order to run it, just simply right click over there and hit on this option of start with GUI. Now once you do it, you'll notice that the Kali Linux has been started to running on your system even without installing it particularly on your system. Now here you can see a very simple booting animation of Kali Linux that you can see without actually installing it on your systems. Here you can see it has just started. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.